Good morning, children. Today I am going to tell you a story on letter B. The phonic sound of letter B is B. Children, repeat after me. B says B. Before we start with the story, let's see the things that begin with letter B. B. Ball. B. Bat. B. Balloon. B. Butterfly. B. Bucket. B. Bird. B. Bag. B. Boat. B. Box. B. Bus. B. Books. B. Bottle. B. Butter. B. Banana. B. Bear. B. Basket. Children, let's begin with the story now. Bala was a good girl. She quickly got ready for the school. She took her breakfast with her father. She had bread and butter. She took banana from the basket. A butterfly came towards the dining table, and a bird was looking at it. Her brother Babu was a lazy boy. He kept the bucket under the tap and started taking bath. His shoes were lying in the box. Bala's friend Bunty was playing with his friend Baby Bear. Bunty threw a ball and Baby Bear hit it with his bat. His school bag, books, and the bottle were lying on the ground. Near the house, there was a lake. A person tied balloons with the fence and sat in the boat. Honk honk, the school bus came. Bala and Bunty went to the school. Children, now you repeat the same with your parents. Thank you. Bye, children.